Hi everyone, it's Gina from Gina K Designs and welcome back to another 5-minute card video. Today I'm going to show you how beautiful it is to use pattern paper and ephemera to create a card full of texture. For this card I'm using the new Autumn Splendor Card Kit and I'm starting with a piece of the Autumn Splendor ephemera. I'm taping this sheet down onto my die cutting machine because I don't want the sheet to shift when I run it through the machine. Now once I have that in place, I'm going to place the cutting die on top. This is one big cutting plate that will cut everything out all at once. All you have to do is line up the 4 dots on the corner, the different corners, and then tape it down onto your die cutting plate just to make sure that doesn't shift when you run it through the machine. Since you're cutting out 18 pieces of ephemera all at once, you want to make sure that you stabilize both the ephemera sheet and the plate on top. Now once you've run that through, then you can just pop everything right out and you can see all of this beautiful ephemera ready to be used on cards. And the remainder piece just pops right out of that die plate. All right, so now I'm ready to do the pattern paper. So I have the Autumn Splendor 6x6 pattern paper pack, and what I've done here is I've cut a strip and then a wider strip, and I've mounted them onto some black panels. This strip measures 2 1/4 by 4 3/4, and the black panel measures 2 3/8 by 4 7/8. And when I place this onto my card base, I'm making sure that I have even borders around those 3 sides. Then for the sweater pattern, that measures 2 3/4 inch by 4 inches, and the black panel is 2 7/8 by 4 1/8. And again, I'm making sure that I have even spacing around all 3 of these sides. Now I have an oval from our double-stitched ovals and our single-stitched ovals, and I layered those together and I just stamped a greeting from the beautiful new Perfect Protea stamp set. And then I'm going to mount that onto the card, and you can see again I have even borders on the sides. And that's how to get a really balanced layout. Now once that's done, I'm going to lay out my ephemera, and I always like to lay it out before I actually tape it down. This way I can see what it's going to look like. I can make sure it fits well with the greeting. If I need to add anything or take anything away, I can do that before I have tape on the back of any of these pieces. And then once I have it laid out exactly the way I want, I'm going to tape down all of the flat parts. So I did the leaves and that purple flower with regular tape runner, and now I'm going to do the pumpkin and the gourd using foam tape to pop it up and give it a little dimension. So just a little bit of foam tape on the back is all that you need, and the whole card just comes to life with that beautiful ephemera sitting on top. I'm just going to pop this in the empty space. And there we go. That is my finished card. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's 5-minute card video, and I hope you'll give pattern paper and ephemera a try. The Autumn Splendor Kit is now available at GinaKDesigns.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.